Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my respected friends. Introducing my name Nanda Cynthia Putri from Puspahyang Vocational High School. Allow me to present the result of field practice at PT Data Multimedia Network as an administrator from May 6 to October 18, 2024. I will explain this presentation in three parts, namely a brief description of the company, the task performed during the field work practice, and the experience guide. Field work practice is an activity that provides opportunities for students to apply theories learned at school in real situations in the world of work. This field work practice aims, amongst others, to provide real work experience to students and form a good work ethic. The purpose of fieldwork practice are: understand the work process in the industry, apply the theories learned at school, and develop technical skills and soft skills. The company where I carry out fieldwork practice is PT Data Multimedia Network, which is located in Sukamulya Village, Neighborhood 16, Hamlet 4, Cibeber Village, Manonjaya Subdistrict, Tasikmalaya Regency, West Java, zip code 46197. This company is engaged in networking. The company was established on October 30, 2023. As an administrator, there are several tasks performed. As an administrator, my main task is to reply to customers' chats. Here is an example when a customer confirms that the internet is not working. After the customer confirms like this, I, as an administrator, inform this disruption report to the technicians to be repaired by the technicians. Inputting payments from customers. When a customer sends proof of payment, my job as an administrator is to input the payment into the administration system. Creating PPPoE or point-to-point protocol over Ethernet. PPPoE is a network protocol that provides internet access to customers. When doing a new installations, the task as an administrator is to create PPPoE in the application system for new customers. The way to create is to enter the customer's name, phone number, selected internet package, as well as the registration date and payment due date. Creating Wi-Fi reseller vouchers. When there are voucher resellers who want to buy vouchers, my job as an administrator is to create these vouchers. There are many choice of vouchers ranging in price from 2,000 rupiah to 60,000 rupiah, making it in the application system according to the request of the resellers. Here is an example of a voucher for 2,000 rupiah for a period of 6 hours. How to make it is that we select the name of the reseller, then enter the number of vouchers to be made and select which vouchers will be made. Prepare tools for new Wi-Fi installations. When the technicians will carry out a new installations, as an administrator is to prepare the tools needed, namely the ONT or optical network terminal, along with the adapter and patch cord. Checking the customer's PPPoE status on MikroTik. In this MikroTik, there are three menus used, namely the interface, secrets, and active connections menu. In the secrets menu is a menu of all customers' PPPoE data. There is a menu for changing package or blocking customer Wi-Fi. This active connections menu is a menu for all active customer PPPoE data. There is the PPPoE active time and remote address. And this interface menu is the same as the active connections menu, namely all active customer PPPoE data, but in this interface menu, there is traffic or internet speed of the customer's Wi-Fi. Change the SSID or Wi-Fi password of the customers. When there are customers who want to change the Wi-Fi name or Wi-Fi password, we change it using a remote address. The trick is to look at the active connection menu. There is a remote address, then enter Chrome. Here is an example of a display for the ZTE device to change the SSID or Wi-Fi password, namely in the bus config menu, then in the SSID settings or security settings menu. Changing Huawei's ONT from GPON to EPON. Why do we change this Huawei ONT from GPON to EPON? Because the OLT technology used here is EPON technology. The ONT used must also support EPON technology. The way to change it is to use an additional ONT flasher application and then use PuTTY. In PuTTY, we enter the config for EPON. If so, check the ONT status in the ONT login. Setting ONT. We set ONT here in the WAN, WLAN, firewall, and WAN access control configuration menu. The trick is that we first equalize the ONT IP and the computer IP. Then, enter Chrome according to the IP behind ONT. Next, go to the WLAN menu. Settings for the SSID and password. Here we use two SSID, namely for home and for vouchers. Next to the WAN menu. In this WAN menu, settings for home and voucher. And finally, in the WAN access control configuration menu. Here are the settings so that we can access the ONT if we are on the same network. Recording daily cash. When there is cash coming into the office, then my job as an administrator is to record it, what the payment is for, on whose behalf, and how much is the payment is. Well, those are the tasks that I did as an administrator during my fieldwork practice. During the fieldwork practice, there were no special projects or tasks assigned. Experience gained during fieldwork practice, including ability to communicate well. During my fieldwork practice, I learned how to communicate with superiors and how to communicate with customers. Sharpening the skills acquired at school, this fieldwork practice gave me the opportunity to hone the skills I have acquired at school. I have gained knowledge from school. At this fieldwork practice, it is time to apply that knowledge. Added knowledge and skills in the world of work. During my fieldwork practice, I gained a lot of new knowledge and skill, whether it was in networking or administration. Doing work carefully. As an administrator, accuracy is the most important thing. For example, being careful in inputting payments and being careful in collecting data. Here are some of my documentation while doing work during fieldwork practice. In this first picture, I am checking the Wi-Fi signal for the newly arrived ONT. In this second pictures, I am inputting Wi-Fi payments from customers. In the third pictures, I am inputting a new installation form. And in the last pictures, I am doing a new installation to the new customer's house. This fieldwork practice at PT Data Multimedia Network has provided the opportunity to develop important technical and soft skills, including payment software administration, network device setup, communication, and time management. The experience gained during this practice has increased competence and confidence in facing challenges in the professional world. This is the presentation that I can deliver. For my experience during my fieldwork practice at PT Data Multimedia Network, I have gained new knowledge and skills, especially in the field of administration and networking. I would like to thank to PT Data Multimedia Network and all those who have helped during this activity. Thank you also to my friends who have given me the opportunity to present my activities during the fieldwork practice. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.